Morning all, I hope we're all good. It's Thursday now, it's the 9th of February 2023, and I'm here to give you a look at the weather in southeast England for the next 24 hours. Well, it's chilly outside. I've just popped out into my back garden. There's a hazy, waning gibbous moon out there. It is very frosty and it's sub-zero still, and it's really quite cold, but that's not the case everywhere across Kent this morning. So we'll start off at Folkestone, it's minus 0.7. Just up the road at Ashford, it's minus 3.4. Head over towards Maidstone, it's minus 2.2. Oh, excuse me. But then if we move towards Erith, it's 3 degrees. And if we head towards London, it's 3.3. Now, the reason for that is that we've been tracking this very weak cold front that's been coming down across the country, and it is bringing in thicker cloud, and hence the reason for the corresponding rise in temperature. Current temperatures around very briefly. We are still quite cold, as I've mentioned, minus 3.2 at Cuxton, generally between minus 2 and minus 3 in the coldest spots. But you don't have to go too far north and west to come into temperatures back above zero. So if we move over towards Rootham, it's 1.8, West Kingsdown 2.1, even Bluewater 2.8. So less cold air is moving down across the county this morning, but it is still cold in the southeast. Current maximum temperatures, we always like to take a quick look at top of the hots. It's 9.7 this morning at the Isles of Scilly, at St Mary's at 9.7. Many western coastal stations are between 6 and 9 degrees. Right, here's a site you don't often see too often. Current lowest temperatures, we have Lydd Airport in there at minus 2. We've got Shoreham at minus 2.1. We've got Herstmonceux at minus 1.6. And parts of London were below zero until fairly recently. So there is a bit of a northwest southeast split. Now, I've had a look at the cameras this morning. Doesn't appear that there's too much in the way of problems with mist or fog. There is some shallow low-lying mist in one or two places, again towards maybe junction 6 of the M20. But to all intents and purposes, it is a dry morning out there. There is patchy mist, but yeah, visibility isn't too bad, and yeah, quite a nice sunrise just in the far southeast of the county. But that cloud is thickening up. Reason for it is this cold front that we have been tracking for the last day or so. It is now moving across the far southeast of England, and that is picked up quite nicely on the satellite imagery at the moment. To the southeast of the screen, this is where we had all this beautiful weather yesterday and the day before. And to the northwest of the UK, this is where we've got the clearance coming in. But the cold front is in here. If we just draw on the line, it's somewhere around here at the moment. And if we take a look at the radar imagery there, you can see it. You've got this area of very light, patchy drizzle here running across southwest England up towards the northern home counties. And that'll probably edge down across us throughout the course of the morning, but no more than the odd spot of drizzle, because that cold front is weakening as it moves into the high pressure. So let's have a quick look at the symbols, the terms of the weather. So it is a cloudy morning. There is the odd spot of drizzle, as I've mentioned, but that cold front will push southwards. It will clear the south coast by lunchtime. And this afternoon, we are dry, fine, and sunny again. All very pleasant. The very pleasant February conditions continue. Your temperatures, before we draw it all to a close, will be around average today, peaking at around about 8 or 9. Somewhere we'll see a 10 degrees in there, no doubt. But tonight, under clear skies, cold air, temperatures will be dropping down to around about minus 3 to minus 5 degrees again. So we will be scraping the cars tomorrow morning. It becomes less cold overnight over the weekend, but there is still a bit of a frost risk. So that's it in summary. I hope you've all enjoyed the forecast. Cloudy morning, sunny afternoon, frosty tonight. Have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow morning with the next update. In the meantime, look after yourselves and ciao for now.